Hey guys, it is Jamin here, back again with another video for you guys today. And today I have a Rubik's Cube and I have solved it. I'm just gonna show you guys how to get it in like a checkers design, you know what I'm saying? And so if you just want to put it like an ornament in one of your room or something. So first you gotta understand that blue is the opposite of green, red is the opposite of orange, white is the opposite of yellow. Alright? That's what you have to understand. Excuse me. So now, what we're gonna do is, you see white, and the opposite of white is yellow. We're gonna take yellow, put it on that side. Take this one, put it on that side. Right? Then what you're gonna do next, turn it like that, like so. Then grab the bottom, turn it in a 180-degree angle. So now you have that. And that's how it should be on the other side. Now you're gonna turn it to the side. This should be the same on this side. So now what you're gonna wanna do is just turn it like that and turn it like that. And now it should be the same on both sides. Now you got yourself a checkers cube. And yeah, that's just pretty much it. You got yourself a checkers cube. And leave a like on the video if you enjoyed this, because I don't know, just this is some good like look at that. That's good. So now you're gonna see that green is what blue. Oh wait. Okay, but you'll understand. And so yeah, opposite colors go together. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna end the video here.